let's go. I'ma make a couple stacks, do exactly what I want to. Mix a couple tracks, get a lady that I'm drawn to.
Alright, well, the three of us, we're gonna tow Clinton's truck up to his parents' house so he can work on it, get a VI done on it, get it back on the road. Yeah. Got the flat deck on. Can't see. Flat deck on.
Turn up to the max, get me faded till I'm gone, dude. I do what I want, couldn't stop me if you wanted to. I just work hard, yeah, harder than the rest. Some people say I'm lucky, others saying that I'm blessed. But I keep my head down, cause I crave progress. You ain't never gonna stop me, cause it's my conquest. And I'm never gonna rest, yeah. And y'all don't know that I'm a soldier. I always felt like I'm alone, yeah. When everybody thinks they know ya, and y'all don't even know I own ya. And now I'm ready taking over, cause every day I'm
It's loaded. Then strapped down. Let's go.
getting closer. Just look at everything I'll show ya. And now I'm ready, I'ma blow up. Yeah.
Alright, well, we're here at the shop. Me and Clinton. Got a new bar replaced. We're about to cut this off, smooth it out, weld it up. Boom, done. Good for inspection.
I'm impatient, I don't ever slow up. I stay young, no I never.
Good thing he's grinding right beside that tank, you know, like just in case.
Cross me, it was good to know ya. I'm impatient, I don't ever slow up. I stay young, no I never grow up. I keep working to the point I throw up. And if you cross me, it was good to know ya. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. I'm not the type to take no for an answer. I don't deal with people that.
Hey! What? Are you done yet?
I got 1.5 done.
Ah.
Are you done?
Yeah?
And I'm not the type to give out second chances. I just wanna work on my own for myself. I don't need no help, not anybody else. Nah man, I got it dealt. I'm working on my wealth and I'm working on my health. Keep on working to excel, cause I'm working on myself. Yeah, and y'all don't know that I'm a soldier.